Yeah, I'll chime in, Rob. There's a lot there. A lot of really good information. Few things that really made a difference in my journey was, the tax planning. When you talk about, the no risk money you can save on taxes. I remember, I used to just do like the H&R Block, go to the cheap, thinking, oh, I'll just get it done cheap, instead of having a tax strategist, which is something that you suggested I do, and somebody that's really going to get to know you and your specific situation and help you plan throughout the year. And so that alone has been a home run.
Yeah.
Really appreciate that. And then the other thing that I was thinking about was, the different seasons and the different levels. And I wish I would have gotten started sooner with what I had to work with, because in my mind I was like, well, I'm just getting started. I don't have a lot of extra money. I don't, instead of focusing on what I could do. And the big thing was getting around people that were at the next level, that were already doing it, that could help, kind of show me the ropes. And I really admire everybody that's on this call, because that's what this is all about, right? Is learning and coming up with new strategies. So I've just been riding Rob's coattails for 20 years. It's worked out really good. So that's why I keep showing up.
It worked out really good. That's funny.
What's next?
That's right. Totally, man. And it's funny, I think the word that maybe I didn't use yet is complicated, right? As we grow in our wealth, we become more complicated. And as we become more complicated, you're outside of the easy form with the IRS as an extreme example, but certainly outside of H&R Block, or even your basic bookkeeper / accountants, right? For those of you that, and we're not going to go deep on it during this meeting, but there is a difference between a bookkeeper and accountant, number one. And number two is, if you're the biggest fish in someone's pond, you need a new pond, because I don't want my guy learning on me. And I've had guys learning on me. I've learned, and I can assure you, if you're building wealth and you're going to the next level, it's unlikely the guy that's currently advising you or doing your taxes or is your CPA, it's unlikely he's going to be your end guy. It's very unlikely. Because I've got a really, really good guy right now. I'm not sure if he's going to be my end guy. Yeah. And I pay him a lot of money for him to keep me informed, and his head is in the game. But I'm not convinced he's going to be my end guy. But he is one of a kind, so he might be. he's going to be a difficult guy to replace if I ever decide to go there. So anyways, that's good stuff. So we definitely, and it isn't just doing my stuff. Look, on January 1st, let me back up. On December 20th, it's too late to make much changes. If the best advice you're getting from your CPA is go buy a truck or go buy some heavy equipment that you can write off, you can depreciate at 60% this year, that's probably not your guy, unless you just haven't given enough time to come up with other options, and he would have, right? So it's on us to reach out and make those appointments with our guy early enough on to where he's got time to put together a strategy.